What is this? This is the Razer Edge. That's what this is. This features a full HD plus AMOLED display, 500 facing webcam, comes with controllers, $399. You get, I don't know, 6+ hours of battery life of gaming. Think like a smartphone gaming. If you look at the back, it's got active air cooling. It stays relatively cool compared to what a typical smartphone device would be for temperatures. Now they have this game recommendation engine, Stardew Valley, KOTOR, Grid Auto Sport, of course there's Grand Theft Auto and Roblox. All of these games support controllers, Minecraft, and of course there's a bunch of other games on here. So because this has a 5G modem, you can actually stream games wirelessly with GeForce Now so that you can play PC games away from the home with this device, which is pretty cool. Of course, that's going to require actually a good signal, which you might not get everywhere. So that's the main drawback, say, compared to like a Steam Deck. But there's definitely going to be lots of great games you can play with it. And the price point is so reasonable at $399. I don't know. I was actually shocked that Razer's actually selling this for this low of a price. I don't know. I was expecting more like 600 plus starting point, but it's not. And apparently there's some promotional deals with like Verizon, where the total price can go as low as $180 for the whole setup. If you sign a new lineup or something, it's like $10 a month or $5 a month for 2 years or 18 months. I can't remember exactly. It's some crazy deal that they were talking about. It's like only $180 for this thing if you go with the Verizon tablet line. So here is High on Life. We're streaming straight from the Xbox wirelessly using a router, Wi-Fi 6E. You're able to play full wireless console games on the Razer Edge. I don't know if you can shoot some bad guys instead of...
Looking, I'm like,
come on, man.
You're supposed to be
kill
here.
some stuff, dude. Everyone wants to see you kill some stuff.
I'm like looking for a move the most action.
This is the game where those guns talk to you, right?
Yes, this is made by the creators of Rick and Morty.
Yeah, this game looks pretty sweet. Is there any other games we can try? So to top it off, this is streaming at 144 hertz, ultra smooth butteriness. That's pretty sweet. Can we turn the brightness down on the display? It's peaking.
Turn it down.
Yeah, about
this.
A little higher. Yeah, right there. It's good.
Okay. Let's try.
It's just literally like blowing out the camera, so everything else is like
no worries.
Dark and not super bright.
No worries.
What's this game?
This is Brawlhalla. So if you play Super Smash, this is
I love Smash Bros.
This is a mobile clone
of Smash Bros.
And it's so fun.
This is running natively on the Android?
Natively, exactly.
Interesting graphics.
Yeah.
It's like cartoony.
Yeah, it is cartoony, and it's meant to be like exactly like Super Smash Bros.
Like the mechanics of it?
The mechanics are exactly the same, effectively.
Okay. Well, I love Smash Bros, so I'd probably like this game.
Yeah, I think you will. I think you will. You can literally...
I'm a Marth Ike player.
Oh, then you'd like this. You'd like this character.
Yeah, that looks kind of similar to Marth.
I was more of a Samus, but it's the same idea. Like I like getting the charge ball.
Samus is so annoying.
Yeah, I know. It's like one of those things. You're like, oh, you play Samus.
Yeah,
but I also
you're one of those guys.
Exactly. But
Dang.
I played Zero Suit Samus in the new one, the Wii U
Okay, well,
one.
I can respect Zero Suit Samus.
Yeah, Zero
That's
Suit.
respectable.
Yeah, exactly. I moved to the Zero Suit when that was available.
Okay, so here's Diablo Immortal, the pay-to-win adventure game. You can only demo so many games, but that gives you a feeling for what the Razer Edge is about. I'm actually pretty impressed with the Razer Edge overall. Look forward to getting the final unit in for review. Super interesting device. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Brandon, out.